Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I have my Allure Beauty Box. So let's just dive on in. Okay, so we've got the card. Set that aside. Okay, we've got a Happy Mother's Day card. And on the back, they are doing some advertisements of other items that they're selling. What's the first in here? Okay, we've got, is it Babor? The Ampule Concentrates. This is Hydra Plus for dry, dehydrated skin, multi-dimensional hydration and plumping. And we were given one ampule. Now, what's one ampule going to do? One ampule is not going to really tell me anything. I want more ampules. So I got that one. Next item, let's see here. Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. So it's a hydrating sleeping mask. Let's see here. So it is sealed. It is 15 ml or half an ounce. Next item, by House Labs by Lady Gaga. It is a lip glaze. My color is guava. And I will say, I'm pretty sure we get to pick one item. Or like a color, if I'm remembering correctly. And this might have been what I picked. Gosh, you guys, I just have too many boxes to remember everything. But this does look like a color I would pick. Ooh. It's pretty. That's really pretty. I love this. That is pretty. Now let me wipe it off my hand so I don't get it everywhere else. All right, next item. It's by Aceology. It's a passion fruit refining lip scrub. And what's interesting is look at the bottle it comes in. I have never had a lip scrub come in like that. Oh, okay. What I was hoping is it would have a lip applicator on it. But still, you know, with it having a cap to seal, maybe it won't dry out as much as some lip scrubs are. So, anxious to try it out. Okay. Next item is by Color Wow. It's a Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. I do like this product, or I do like this brand. I actually have some mousse right now that I'm using from this brand. So anxious to try this Raise the Root because I have flat, fine hair. So loving that. Then we've got Trial Size by, is it Ava NYC? Yes. Well, yeah, Ava NYC. So we've got hydrating shampoo and hydrating conditioner that has hyaluronic acid in it. So some samples. And then last but not least, our last item here by Fenty Beauty. And this is a suede powder blush. Maybe this was the color, the item I picked. What's funny is like, I feel like I just picked something within the last week and I don't think what I picked it would already be here. So I don't know, you guys. Maybe I picked it for next month. I don't know. But this is a fun packaging. Isn't that fun? Now, I love the Fenty Beauty. There's some lip gloss, and I love the perfume. It comes like in a brown bottle. Love that as well. Okay. This is very heavily pigmented. Let me see. I don't know if I could do that. You know, they talk about suede. It feels like suede. I think maybe I can do that color. So down in here, I have really worked it in. Oops, let me just add, goodness, some more here so you could see that it does get darker, but I really rubbed it in. So yeah, I think I can. I think that color will work. So what do I think this month? I like the selection of items. I love everything. The only thing I wish we'd got more of these. I really do. But other than that, you know, I'm happy with this month's box. So perfect. So let me do my scoring. Back to experience. I mean, you open the box and you take the items out. There's not much to the experience. So I'm going to say a 4. Then we have quality. I love the Wow, the House Labs. I like that. I like the Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to say quality is here. So for quality, I'm going to give it an 8. The value. Oh my goodness, you guys. I think the value's here. So I'm going to give it an 8. I probably should give it a 9. Yeah. Because I do think, like the lip and the blush, I think those prices are spot on. So I'm going to give it a 9 for the value. Then we have new, different, unique. So I'm going to give it a 4. And then retention and usability. It's a hard one because I mean, it's a beauty box. We expect to get beauty items. Retention, usability. I'm going to use all of it. I personally cannot have enough lip glazes, lipsticks, gloss. Can't have enough of it. So for me, I'm going to go with an 8. So where does that land us? 33 out of 50. And what is really bringing us down there is the experience and the new, different, unique. So 33 out of 50 for this month's Allure box. Well, as always, thank you for spending time with me. If you like these videos, would love to have you stick around, subscribe, hit the like button, and hope to see you guys again. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye.